welcome back to another episode of Ask Prashant. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini vacuum cleaner. Let's start. So first we need a plastic bottle and we need to put a hole over here. Second we need a cap. We need to put a big hole in the middle and the other holes along the sides. Now I'm going to put this DC motor to this toy fan piece. Now I'm going to stick the DC motor to this cap. Now I'm going to put some glue onto this cap. Now I'm going to put the wires inside the cap. So I'm going to cut this straw because we don't need this much length straw. So I'm going to cut it. Now I'm going to fix it into this plastic bottle. I'm going to cut the edge of the straw crossways. And now I'm going to extend the straw. Now I'm going to stick it over here in this green place. Now I'm going to fix the bottle to the cap. Now I'm going to connect this blue wire to the switch. Now I'm going to connect the USB wire to the DC motor wire. First we need to connect the green wire to the other green wire. Next I'm going to connect the other cable to the switch. So I already fixed the switch onto the cap. Now I'm going to put the USB wire to the laptop. Now let's test it. Now let's see what's inside this cup. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Be sure to tell your friends. Bye.